The review content column has a lot of strange symbols scattered inside and they don't add any value to our analysis. So I'll be using the find and replace to remove them and keep the review text clean and readable. I made a deliberate decision not to use Excel formulas for removing these symbols. Yes, even though formulas can automate the process. The main reason for this my decision is that most cleaning formulas remove all special characters automatically, including important punctuations like comma, full stop, and apostrophe. However, these punctuation marks are essential to the original meaning of the customer review. Yes. For example, in a sentence like, I am a girl, I like pink. If a formula is used, it may return, I am a girl, I like pink, without the comma. Why the text still exists, the natural sentence structure, the tone, and the readability are all altered. That's why apostrophes are critical in real customer reviews. Words like won't, don't, and can't. Losing apostrophes would change the meaning, affect sentiment interpretation, and even reduce data quality, especially when the reviews may later be used for sentiment analysis, customer behavior studies, and product feedback interpretation. To avoid messing with the original voice of the reviewer, I choose to use find and replace instead of Excel formulas. With the find and replace, I will be able to remove only the unwanted symbols, preserve commas, full stop, and apostrophe, maintain the original structure and meaning of every review, ensure that the data remains authentic, accurate, and analysis ready. While formulas are powerful for automation, manual find and replace is the safer and more controlled approach for this dataset. I have cleaned my product name earlier before now, but they are still too long and cannot be used for a proper data analysis. So I'm going to perform one more cleaning for this particular column. So I'm going to use this particular Power Query formula to pick the first four words and then detect the color in each product title. With this, I can create clearer charts, group similar products together, improve my dashboard readability, and make my analysis faster and more accurate. Now my product name is short, sharp, and analysis ready.